Hi, I'm Shelley Fogelsong, the librarian at Wendell Middle School. Welcome to the Bibliographic Record Correction Program. This is Lesson 1, Catalog Basics. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to log in. I'll give you a quick site tour. We'll learn how to search Follett Destiny, which is our library's catalog program. And we'll briefly look at the title and record for Treasure Island. Later we'll go into greater detail on how to correct these records. This introduction will include a quick tour of Follett Destiny for the Wendell School District. Please open Google and type in wendell.follettdestiny.com. Notice the two T's on Follett. If you do misspell it, you need to realize there's another Wendell School District, and it will default to the one, I think it's in California, because it's a bigger school district. So your page has to look something like this. On the left side of the screen, you will see Wendell Elementary School, Wendell Middle School, and on the right side of the screen, you will see Wendell High School. So if your screen doesn't look exactly like this, you need to go back and retype the lettering, wendell.follettdestiny.com, and bookmark it. Now click on Wendell Middle School, please. That should bring you to this page where you will then log in using the username and password that your instructor has given you. Okay, when you first log in, you'll come to the home page, which isn't very useful to you. It's for our students. It's links to educational websites. You're going to primarily be in catalog, but for a moment, let's go ahead and look at the other tabs on the left-hand side of the screen. Reports is where I print the shelf list that you're given by your instructor. So you don't need to use this, but that's where your shelf list comes from. Back office includes our inventory, and inventory is certainly something you're helping us with. It is, of course, when we look at the end of the school year to see what books we have on the shelves and what's become lost or damaged, and whether or not we need to delete some books from our records. Okay, so let's go to catalog. And we're in the basic search, which you could use if you wanted to find a book by its keyword, title, author, or subject, or even how many books are in that series. But mostly you're going to click on barcode because that's what you're working with, is the barcodes from our shelf list. So you will transfer the barcode number from the shelf list into this bar. It's a T number, starts with a T, just like you see me doing here. When you hit enter, it will take you to the record. There may be more than one book, but here we see only one copy. If you hit title details, it takes you into the title, which shows you all about Treasure Island. Go back to the record, click on the pencil on the right, and now you can go into the record for that independent book and make corrections to this. So you'll see that description has nothing there, and when we have a little empty spot, that means we need to make some changes, and you'll learn about those as we go. You can also make changes to the title by doing edit title, but this one doesn't need a lot of changes. So you can see it has information, but we have quite a few with no information listed. Here's an example of another title for Treasure Island that has very little information. So when you work with one of these records, you'll need to go in to edit the title. When you click on Edit Title, you'll see a screen that looks like this. So this series of videos will show you how to edit the title, how to edit each book's record, and it will help answer some questions that you may have about researching the information using online sources like LibraryThing, the Library of Congress, Accelerated Reader Book Finder, and even Amazon.